Kids are really sleeping in this year, eh?
Yeah, sounds like they're coming down now.
Billy! Taylor, come on, guys, it's Christmas! Whoa! Guys, come on, come on! Come on! Oh my gosh, look at all these.
There's so many.
Yeah,
This one's for you. Oh, that one's for you. Oh, this one. Oh, wow, an Alexa? Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Billy.
Oh, Rolex!
Oh, Merry Christmas, Taylor!
Here's Taylor.
Oh. Socks.
What's wrong, Reggie? We thought you loved socks.
Yeah, we see you wearing them every day. We thought for sure you would love some more.
I mean, I guess I do wear a lot of socks.
Oh my God, Google Pixel! I'm so tired of my iPhone 7. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Billy.
Another drone?
Oh, thanks, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Taylor.
Oh. You framed the hospital bill from that summer when I broke my arm.
What's wrong, Reggie?
Yeah, we thought you would love a reminder that your parents love you so much that we would pay for your hospital bills when you break your stupid arm.
Yeah, and it's gonna look great on your wall, too. It's really gonna pull your room together.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh my God, cheese?
Have a peek outside, Billy.
Oh my God, you guys got me an Escalade! Thank you, Mom and Dad, thank you.
Merry Christmas, Billy.
Johnsonville, Connecticut? I always wanted my own town. My own town. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Taylor.
Did you get me warm dog shit?
Don't be silly, honey. That's your dad's shit.
It's true.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Merry Christmas, Reggie.
I want that shit.
No, I want it.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
Whoa, 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 kids. Your dad has plenty of shit to go around.
Yay!
About to start dropping bombs.
Merry Christmas!